How to add multiple stops to your boat ride. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add multiple stops to your boat ride, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your boat account, just like I have done here. Whenever you sign in, you're automatically always brought to the map, all right, where you can just check out your location if your location button is on your phone, and to also check out places close by or check out the place you're heading to. So once you can see all of this, the next thing to do is to click on the search box towards the lowest part of the screen, and then type out your destination where you are going to. Or before then, move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see a plus icon. This plus icon stands for add stop. So just tap on it and then type out where your stop is. Then for you to add another stop, tap on it again, and then type out another stop. All right. Okay, then if you want to stop at another place, it's no longer possible. You can only add two stops on both, and then your final destination. Okay, and then you are good to go. So this is how you can add several stops or multiple stops to your boat ride. And you must note that the more you add stops, the more your money increases. So that is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.